Hello friends, welcome back to this series of tenses. So today we will learn that we have started a new lesson of tenses but which is called the near future, okay? So as we know, we were supposed to learn today as informal situation, that is with future simple tense, that is usually used with going to and what present continuous. We have learned past future simple tense, the formal way, and also we have learned anything, okay? And from now on we will learn the informal way, that is going to and what? Yes, present continuous. Okay, so I hope that is you have understood. So going to and present continuous gives a near future or immediate future which will happen. Okay, so that is we will explore like this step by step as we did to the future simple tense. By this you can what you can you will be you will be mastered on it, okay, and also you'll be fluent in English. So no more talking, let's get our to this topic. And into this topic you can see future with going to and present continuous part 1. So it's the first part, or it's the part 1 of our video. So first off, we can start from here. In future, as you know, we have learned this in future simple tense. In future simple tense, as you can see. So in here, you can see there are two ways to talk about the future. One is informal and another is formal. Okay, so if we talk about the formal and informal, you have to understand something here. Something is such like a special kind of this. So we have already learned that this formal means that is something respectfully, we are talking in a polite way. On that time, we can use word formal with will, okay, in future simple tense. Okay, which in this, that is we are talking in a polite way. So we are talking like this. So it means formal. So we have already know, and then we have already understood the first section in our previous parts of future simple tense. And then next is informal. So there are two parts of informal, that is planned and unplanned. In planned, there are also two ways, that is going to and present continuous. Okay, with going to and present continuous, we can also transform it into the future. And also unplanned, if we talk about the unplanned, as we know, we have learned it during the future simple tense. Unplanned will means that is you have decided something without planning, okay, or also you have directly said you're mindful, okay, you're mindful, and also you have decided it at the speaking, okay, and it happens suddenly. So on that time, on that situation, at the point of the situation, we can call this unplanned. Something happened in unplanned. Unplanned means without planning. So on that time, we can also use will in what? Informal with unplanned. Okay, but today our main learning is, so we will learn that is only this planned, because we have already talked about unplanned, the informal ways. We have already talked about one way of informal, that is and we have talked about the formal. Now we will talk about this with plan informal, that is going to and present continuous. We will start from our class. So our main topic is to talk about the plan, that is going to and present continuous. That's why I have started the video. Okay, because we have already learned this, so now we have some ideas about this, but we haven't learned it yet. Going to and present continuous, how to use it with future simple. Okay, so from today in the first verse we will learn. So going to and present continuous. Okay, so planned means, as we know, that is you have planned something. Okay, you think, you imagine that is you will do. Okay, you will do this work, and we know that is future always means it happens after now. So you do your own tasks after now. Okay, and also you do after now according to your, okay, to your imagination, to your thinking. Okay, you will do that. You must do that. Okay, you must do that on that time. So you must continue your plan. That's your aspect. So that's your spirit. So this is called planned. Okay, so with thinking or doing something with the ideas, according to the ideas that I'll do this, you will do this. Okay, so just like this. So here this is called planned. Okay, so in plan, going to is a phrase. Okay, it isn't future simple, but in going to is used to indicate the future, to indicate the near or immediate future. But going to isn't future simple. It is a phrase, going to. And also future simple, we also future. Okay, in future we also use what? Present continuous. In future we also use present continuous. Okay, for example, like this, if we talk about this, then we can understand. So if we talk about this, that is going to. So where's the plan? Okay, so here we can start from where the phrase is going to. We have to understand this, that is what does it mean? What can we understand by this? Okay, because we don't know, because so don't be worried, don't be panicked. You think something that is what the phrase of going to means. Okay, going to means that is suppose, for example, that is today you so today you go to your grandparents' house with planning. Okay, with planning, and it happens after now. Okay, but you must do. Okay, you think that is I have to all the tasks according to my ideas, or you can say according to my plans. Okay, so that's why your grandparents or some family members, your grandparents know this, so they will prepare your breakfast, they will wait for you, they will wish you when you arrive. Okay, so everything is going with plan. Okay, so on that time we can use what? Going to. Okay, not this, you can use it with anything which indicates the immediate or near future. Okay, and if, for example, that is, if you see the example, then you can understand. Here we are watching, that is I'm going to visit my grandparents house on Monday. So it indicates that is you have planned on this, that is you will go on that day, and on that time your grandparents are already ready. They have collected everything to wish you, to welcome you. So everything is going with plan. Okay, so on that time we can use what? Going to. Okay, on that time we can use going to. It's kind of like a phrase. I'm going to visit my grandparents' house on Monday. On Monday. Okay, and what about the present continuous? If we talk about the present continuous, which was same way. Okay, same way about going to, as I explained, it's the same way. Okay, because I have described with you just like that is going to always describes the plan, the immediate future or near future. Same is here, present continuous. So going to and present continuous is same situation, same chapter, same theory. So we can also say, instead of this, I'm visiting my grandparents' house on Monday. So we can use it. I'm visiting. Okay, so here we have used the present continuous. I'm visiting my grandparents' house on Monday, which also indicates the immediate future or near future. Okay, so that's it. So we will start from this, that is informal. So these are some introduction of this. But remember, we have already learned this, and from now on we will learn it. Okay, we will learn it, so no problem, we will learn it, and also we will try to explore it as you did to the what? Formal and the informal of one section, that is unplanned will. Okay, so just like it, you will also be on, you can also master on it on this. Okay, so it is just like a only one introduction. Okay, just like a basic introduction about this. Okay, so if you like this part, so just like, comment, share, and follow my video, and see you in the next part, and stay tuned with me, and bye bye for now, and best of your journey.